What's going on, guys? It's LexiVee03. Welcome back to my channel. So basically, I have a series on YouTube where I just try a bunch of stuff that I see on TikTok. So I've done snacks, I've done the car, I've done the beauty products, I've done random stuff. So if you want to check out those videos, make sure you click. They'll all be linked down below. They're super funny and super interesting. So go check out all the stuff TikTok made me do. But today, TikTok is making me try jalapeno cream cheese and Takis. Like, everybody has tried it. I'm a little late to the game, not gonna lie, but I am so excited. I have got to try this. So I was like, all right, we're gonna do it. So I'm about to head out, go to the grocery store. But before we get started on this video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up, hit the post notification bell, hit that subscribe button, and let's go buy some ingredients. Oi. So I hope you guys can hear me and see me and all that good stuff. Y'all, I have to use the bathroom. I should have used it before I got here. But we are at Publix. We're about to go find jalapenos and other stuff, whatever else I need. I didn't park very good. Well, I parked all right, whatever. There's the Publix. As you can see, we're going in. I literally only want to get, I really only want to get what I came for. I don't want to have to get like anything else. Like, I'm not trying to go grocery shopping. I'm just trying to get the 3 ingredients that I need to try this snack and go from there. So yeah, let's go. I've never bought jalapenos before. It's my first time buying jalapenos. All I need now is cream cheese and Takis, and we're good. I'm gonna pick up some milk, y'all. That's literally it, though. All right, cream cheese, cream cheese. Did I pass it? No, didn't pass it. Where's the cream cheese? Where's the cream cheese? Oh, here it is. All right, cream cheese. Back in the car. We secured the bag. But yeah, I'm back in the car and we're about to go home and make this. I have been so excited to try this, you guys. I've literally been just waiting and waiting. I don't know what I've been waiting for, to be honest, but I'm finally gonna try it and I'm excited because I haven't tried it before. And everybody, I haven't seen one person say they don't like it yet. So I'm gonna put the camera down and we're gonna head home and make some Taki jalapeno poppers or whatever they're called. All right, I'm home. Wash my hands, they smell like cleanliness. Well, we already know what I got. Some jalapenos, some Takis. I haven't had Takis in so long. Some cream cheese. Oh, what is this? Oh, so I kind of want to have a Taki. Just don't tell anyone. Oh, this is what I'm talking about. Y'all see how big this bag is for this much Takis? You don't see that? When will we ever solve the mystery as to why there's more air in bags than actual chips? I just low-key died over talking, not gonna lie. So I don't really like jalapenos. They're kind of spicy. But we're gonna need some tools, like, can't just use our hands. I'm gonna grab a cutting board to cut the jalapenos. And I'm gonna use a knife. All right, here's the knife I'm gonna use. It's not a very big knife. Oh my gosh, I'm such a chef. Guys, I should get an apron. Every time I do cooking videos, I'll wear the apron. Here are all the jalapenos. We got some of many shapes and sizes. This one's a little skinny. All right, so I have to clean my jalapenos, wash them, then I have to cut the top off and gut them all out because that's how it's done. So we're gonna start with, let's do these 3. All right, we got 3 clean jalapenos. Now we're gonna cut the tops off of the jalapenos. The top is cut off. Now we have to take the knife and empty the jalapeno without cutting it, because then you can't get a Taki in there. Gotta make a mess. Gotta make a mess. Oh my goodness, what the heck? How do people do this? Hey, look, I did it. All right, there is my first empty jalapeno. Hello, jalapeno. Hello, jalapeno. Next, jalapeno. So you guys, I don't really like jalapenos. Like, I've never like put them on my nachos ever. I don't really like jalapenos. But this snack looked so good, I had to try it. All right, guys, so because I almost just cut my finger off, I'm gonna put the sharpest knife in the kitchen down and get a steak knife. This will probably still do the job just the same, except I won't die. Okay, I'm not gonna lie, this jalapeno making me sneeze. I'm making such a mess. Here are my 3 hollow jalapenos. All right, so we ran some water through them to try to get the extra seeds, which to be honest, they didn't even come out, but now it's time to fill them with cream cheese. So I'm not gonna lie, this jalapeno is making me die. Like, it's making me sneeze and cough. And I accidentally may have touched my fingers all over the jalapenos and then may have accidentally touched my face. So now I'm really gonna be sneezing forever. Basically, you just shove a bunch of cream cheese in the jalapeno. Like this. Daisy, Daisy, cream cheese. Yeah, get in there. We got 3 full jalapenos. They are full of what? Cream cheese. Now, the last step is to put some Takis in it. The funnest part. I guess you just like kind of poke them in there. Who came up with this snack? I'm very, very curious. Like, who cut up some jalapenos and shoved cream cheese in it? And it was like, ooh, Takis. It's like the 5th time I've walked off screen to go blow my nose and sneeze. All right, this very simple snack is done. Now it's just time to taste it. So, which one am I gonna taste? He's the lucky winner. We'll name him Junior. All right, Junior. Here is the day we try jalapeno poppers with Takis and cream cheese. Mmm. 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 It's not even that spicy. The cream cheese perfectly balances out that spice. That's bomb! Mmm. I'm about to eat this one, y'all. This is good. Mmm. They are not that spicy to me. Are they that spicy? Maybe she doesn't take spice well, but this is bomb! It is spicier down at the bottom. So that's where all the juice settles. So everybody behind screen tried some. One of them ran to the kitchen having a seizure. This man is eating ice cream straight out the carton and drinking milk out of a measuring cup. Overall, I give this snack a 9 out of 10. Only deducted 1 point because it was a little spicy, but really, I can't tell if my nose is like this because I touched my face after touching the jalapenos, or if it was because it was spicy. I don't know. But that snack was bomb. I would definitely try it again. Probably would flesh out the jalapenos a little better so that people don't die. I mean, he's literally pacing. It was not that spicy. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you give it a big thumbs up, hit the post notification bell, smash that subscribe button. Let me know what you guys want to see next. I love you, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.